Namaskar dear students. In previous session I demonstrated how to insert picture in OpenOffice Writer. Today I will teach you about how to modify the image in OpenOffice Writer. So basically, to modify image, OpenOffice Writer provides two options. One, you can modify that through picture toolbar and another from properties window. You can use format menu to modify image. All of these options are available in format menu also. So let me start. First, open OpenOffice Writer. Here in new document, I will insert one image from insert picture from file. Picture from file. I am selecting this picture right now. So when the picture is inserted, at that time only the picture toolbar will also appear. So here you may notice that picture toolbar is available. Now with this tool, let I explain first all the options of picture toolbar. There are 8 options in picture toolbar. First one is from file. Basically this is used to replace the picture. If you want to change this picture, then simply you can replace at the same place. I want to replace this one. So just select another picture. That picture may be replaced. Second option is filter. This option allows you to change the color and other options of the image. Somewhere you can notice the colors of pictures and some of the brightness, contrast like that. So you can apply different filters, whatever are available, to gallery. Small galleries are available to change the pictures. Okay, so that you can apply. After that, graphic mode. This graphic mode is available to change the pictures in default graphic modes. First default option, the picture you get as it is. Second option is grayscale, that will convert the picture into grayscale colors. Black and white option changes to black and white, and watermark applies to watermark. So these all options you may use as per the need of user. After that, this option allows to change the colors. The color can be formed with the pattern RGB, red, green and blue. 3 colors combination you can apply the value. Suppose red will be the 100, so that red color will be added. Now green, if I type 50 here, then the color which mix with red 100 value and green value 50. So the new color will be formed like this. Then when we apply the blue color, the new color will be formed. So accordingly we can apply the different colors on this picture. So that color will be applied accordingly to picture's ratio. Then this brightness, contrast and gamma, that will be applied accordingly as per the need. 10% contrast, 20%, so that picture will be looks like different. Then the next option is for transparency. Transparency allows you to make the image transparent as per the specified value in percentage. More percentage, more image will be transparent. As you change the more percent, the image will be more transparent. When 100% is entered, then the image becomes white. So here you can apply that particular transparency. Just okay, I have undone everything. Now transparency, I want to apply 50% transparent, so this is 50%. Similarly, when 100% is typed, the image will be disappear and only white colors comes. So accordingly values may be entered. What percentage you need, that percentage should be entered. After that, the next option is flip horizontally. Flip horizontally, simply flip the image from left to right direction. So when we apply flip horizontally, so that will be move from left to right, not move but flip from left to right. And when we use this flip vertically, it will flip top to bottom or up to downward side. So these are two options. Last option is applied for the frame property. When frame is applied, then only you can do that frame changes. So let me start how to apply frame. Another options are also given in properties. From property, you can activate property from here. Click that. The similar options available as it was available in pictures toolbar in graphic property for brightness, contrast, color mode, transparency and all. Then width and height we can change from here. If you have not used that image resize handle, then we can use this height width to change the size. Then keep ratio is also related to that only. Now wrap option is used to apply the text wrapping option. Means if you want to continue the image with text, then how the text will be appear with the image, that will be selected by the wrap option. So here I am writing simple text. Suppose this text, and now I want to use this picture with this text. So here first option is none. By default it is none only. So when we pick the picture, the text remains intact, means the space will be not managed with that. So whatever space occupied by the image, that will be left white as it is displayed in the paragraph. So when we select this before option, then the text comes before the picture. See, like this. As we move this, the text placed before the image. Then after, the text placed after the image, like this. The image position should be proper, then only you may get the exact result. Then parallel it will be parallel with the image. Text is coming like that only. Then through it comes like this. So if image is on top of text, then text won't be displayed like this. Let me arrange it. Send to back, bring forward. So one step it will come. Bring forward, arrange, bring forward. These options are also available on format menu, arrange option, wrap option, all. So from here also we can apply the same options, and in this way we can change the modify the image. Now if you want to apply borders or frame, so there are two ways to apply border or frames. First will be the style. Go to the style category, it is available here, or you can apply by clicking format, styles and formatting, as you learn in first session. Now select image, go to this frame styles and select frame, apply through fill format button. So that frames will be applied. Another way is go to format picture, and from these borders pick any border, select line styles, whatever style required, double like this. Color, you can apply color from here. Then shadow, if shadow is required, apply the shadow color also we can change. So when you finish with all the options, click on OK. So that border will be applied to the picture. So here all the options applied. Now next is cropping the image. How to crop the image? Go to format, picture and select crop tab. In crop tab simply select the direction from which direction the pictures needs to be cropped. So here I want to crop from bottom, just scroll it down so that image will be cropped from right side. It should be cropped like this. Then click on OK when you finish according to your level, so that image will be cropped. So here your cropped image is resulting in this box. So these are the options for images, modifying images and pictures. Now drawing. So to create drawing, first you have to activate the drawing. So that drawing will be activated from here. Show draw functions. I am drawing one eclipse here. Then go to the property to change the color and all if it is required. Border color from here. Border color. Border style if it is required. Border style. These are the different styles available. Solid is better one. Then I am drawing one another shape. So two objects are there. Now how to select them? Just select one object, then drag a big rectangle. So whatever coming in this rectangle boundary, all objects will be selected together. Then now we can group them. Here one option is given, group. So this option is given for group the objects and make them single. Now these both objects are considered or treated as a one object. So this option is given there. You have to select multiple options, multiple objects, ungroup. Then when we ungroup, both will be the different. And you can arrange the objects by choosing this function, format, arrange. And here I want to send back. So like this. So it goes back. So similarly this option applies to images and graphics. Wherever it is required, you can apply accordingly. Next is how to insert font gallery. As you have used MS Word and you learn word art, the same option is available here in font work. It is known as font work. So insert from this option, drawing toolbar, font work gallery. Pick any design, whatever design you need. Then OK. Now to change the text, double click on this font work, then type the required text. Or writer. And when finished, double click anywhere in document, so that will become in this manner. Then change the options. Modify the text. Here font work gallery is available. You can change the design anytime, but it is not changing the design of our object. Then this can be changed, yes. So this is applied to our text. Font work, same letter heights, all letters will be the same letter height. Then alignment. Then these are the different options for characters. How the character spacing will be. It will be tight, normal. So this allows the character space or letter space. Then from here also you can change accordingly. Just click and drag. So accordingly the text will be placed. So this way we can use font gallery. So these are the options in this chapter. Styles and what are styles. Similarly we have seen the picture option also and the drawings. Thank you.